Finally, the outgoing fleet commander relinquishes his responsibilities to the incoming fleet commander.
Hindi pa.
With this, a rite of passage has just
Bawal
been
muna
concluded.
mag-asawa.
Another cycle of time-honored tradition has just begun.
22.
Leadership in the academy is always about first responsibility. It does not simply demand obedience between officers and subordinates, but it significantly inspires both to appreciate
Lulupasay ako.
responsibility as an opportunity to improve oneself. The organization and the fleet as a whole, by learning to obey midshipmen become leaders. By appreciating the chain of command, we learn the value of trust and respect. While recognizing respect as an earned privilege, we learn to share our characters as dignified midshipmen and promising leaders.
Dadali niya po. Dadali niya po.